Hi, I'm Steve Martin. I'm Commercial Director here at Sonardyne. Agent and Reseller Week. So we have our European resellers here this week. It's wonderful to have them in the facility. We've done factory tour, we're doing demos all week, we've got presentations. And this is all about collaboration between themselves, with us. We're just trying to empower our resellers to help us reach out to our customers and be successful with Sonardyne in offering the best technology that we can to our customers to solve problems. So this week we've got demos, we got our actual USV in from Plymouth, so we've had a look at that. Factory tour was really great. We're continuing to invest here in Blackbush at Sonardyne in modern technology in our machine shop, in how we structure the factory, in tank testing equipment, etc. So it's great to be able to share all that information with the resellers this week. Presentations from our business development team, from our engineering team, showing what new technologies we've got coming forward. So hopefully that will really give a view of the direction that Sonardyne's taking in the industry and really empower those agents and resellers to get out there and express to our customers what wonderful technology and a great company Sonardyne are in delivering solutions to their problems.
My name is Cécile and I work from MSM Ocean. We've been working with Sonardyne for about 10 years, but we're just starting on the reselling side of work. We like to work with Sonardyne because I think we've got a similar philosophy in terms of how we work. We like to work with very high quality solution and striving for excellence and trying to bring the best solution possible for our customers. My favorite Sonardyne product is probably the Tsunami BPR, which is the one we work most with.
So I'm Dominique and I'm working for Cadden. We have been working with Sonardyne for 10 to 15 years. Sonardyne products are very good technically, niche product, and always interesting to get so good products. I would say that my preferred product is probably all of them.
So my name is Cyril. I'm working for Neotech. So personally I've been an agent for 4 years now since I'm working in Neotech, but Neotech has a long experience with Sonardyne. I love working with Sonardyne because of all range of applications in ocean sciences and also the quality of their equipment. I would say I like the acoustic release, so the RT6 1000 and for deeper operation the RT6 3000.